Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and configure product comparison feature in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do is go into the search button and type in product compare. And from here we want to click this Shopify App Store, search for product compare in Shopify App Store. And after you have done that, you would be greeted here with a lot of apps that you can use for comparison of products. But personally, I use SquadKin Product Compare right here, and you can also choose another app right here that is fitted to your budget and your needs. But for me, SquadKin is just enough for me. And this is what we'll be using for this tutorial later on. But remember that you can use other tools right here or apps so that you could use some comparison better than SquadKin right here, because this is just for free right here. But if you want a better one, then you can just choose another apps right here. So let me just show you SquadKin and how it would do right here. So as you can see, I already added the app, and if you haven't yet, then you can just click here and add the app, and then you want to install the app button right here after that. And you want to click the open app right here if you haven't opened the SquadKin, but it would automatically open once you have installed the app. And right here, when you first open SquadKin, it should look like this right here, and this is what it would look like right here. But first, you make sure that you enable the app. You make sure that this is enabled right here. This is toggled on. And from here, you can edit a text. So from here, you can just add to compare text, or you can just click here to compare. You can change that button right here, because this is what it would look like on default. Let me just show you without customization. Right here, let's go into my store, and I want to go into my products right here. And from here, we will be seeing this remove from compare. We will be seeing this button right here, add to compare. And now we're gonna go to other products right here, for example this one. Then we can go for add to compare right here. As you can see, I have already added it, that's why it says remove, but we can just click add to compare. And from that, we can just click here at the bottom left. We have the compare button right here. It's very hard to see, but yeah, you can see it right there, and you can see the compared items right here, and you will click on compare. It will be like this, so it would be compared like this one right here. And you can customize this everything by just customizing the settings right here. And we can customize the compare button position. You can go for the right button right there. And from here, the background color and text color, let me choose red, because as you can see right now, the button is just like this, it's black. So let's go and save changes. That is the only thing that we have customized, but if you want to customize more, then you can just do that, because this is just a quick tutorial. I'm not gonna go too in-depth with it, but this is how you do it. And as you can see, my compare button is now at the bottom right, because that is how we set it up in the settings. So click on compare right here. And as you can see, we have this right here, and click on compare. And for that, this is how it is right here. So you can just go and click another product right here if you'd want to. You can add a product right here. I'm only unable to click this, so you might need to go again and add another product right here, for example this one. Then click here on add to compare again. Click here to compare, and as you can see, I have reached the limit. And if you want to remove the limit, you might need to pay here. You might need to pay for a plan right here on SquadKin here on the billing. You might need to upgrade to basic plan or pro plan right here, so that you can compare more by clicking here at the left side right here. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.